Well, it's that time again. End of the year cleanup. The lovely aftermath of buying storage units. You got a load for the dump here again. Look at all that. Let's see what it costs us to dump that load. That's only one load. And just like that, old Silverman's empty. 460 pounds, $25 to get rid of it. Boy, it'd be nice if the borough would let me have a dumpster at the house. It'd be a lot cheaper.
Ten by 20 unit. Yeah, I feel this one. You use a vacuum here.
But I better go get the hot dogs and get them ready, because or else they will get burned. Good, they're not burned. I just need to get them.
Light in there. Five, bring it two. And $200 bid, two, give me $100 bid to wear, one, hit it a one, 75, get 50. $50 bill, $50 bid to wear, 50 now, 75. I'm 50 here, need 75. 75 and $100 now, quarter, 125 now, 50, hit it a 50. 150 now, 75. I want 75, 200 now, quarter, 225, 5, hit it a 5. 225, but I want 50, 250, hit it a 50 now, 75. $300 bid, 3, hit it a 3. 275, but I want $300 bid, 3, hit it a 3, 280, 290, and now $300 bid, 3, hit it a 3, now 10, 310, did you? And now 20, 310, but I want 20. 320, room for anybody here. 310, but I want 20, 310, give 20. 310, now 20. 30, 330, 320, but I want 30, yes and yes, 330, 340, and now 50, 340, but I want 50, so $340 bill all the way.
You're wrong. It's old junk, isn't it?
I'm serious. It's right there.
What?
I said this one went with the other one because the other boot's in the other shed.
Is it really?
Yeah, it was sitting right on top of a box.
Maybe it's a common owner.
Maybe.
Looks like they were scrapping. Maybe? I don't know. Garage. I don't know.
I can't see them wheels. I'm trying to see what them wheels are.
They are. They're off a Dodge. The Dodge Rim. That's all I can see.
Maybe. Through the chase, $500 bid in the wear, 5, hit it a 5, 3 get 2. $200 bid in the wear, 2, put me on the money, give $100 bid in the wear, 1, now quarter, 125, 5, hit it a 5, $100 bill here, 100 and a quarter, 125, 5, hit it a 5, 125, 150, 175, and now 200, 2 and a quarter, 225, 5, hit it a 5, 225, now 50, 250, 275, 5, hit it a 5, 250 now, 75, 5, hit it a 5, 250, 275, $275. It's what you came for. $250, $275. A 2.5 for the 175. 5, give it a 5. Room for anybody. $250, $275. Don't go home empty. A $250 now, 75. 5, give it a 5. Did you? A $250 now, 75. You guys all in and all done. $250 here, $275. $250 bill. Same guy, same way.
What did you see that you bought this unit?
Yes, definitely.
Tell us what you saw.
Three things.
Okay.
Three things.
Three
okay.
things. The drill press, Craftsman drill press.
Mm-hmm.
Right back in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Second thing, a train. Not that this one's probably no good. Just fingers crossed there might be other collectibles.
Okay.
And the third thing,
Stop.
actually the old sweeper. I didn't look this one up, but we sold a Kirby sweeper similar to this for 140.
Okay.
No. Tools. Yeah, I guess that's for another thing. There is a compressor in there.
So I guess all three units today were owned by the same guy.
Yeah, these are all common owners.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it
All
would have been
three
nice
units.
if they would have told us ahead of time.
Yep, this guy owed $3,000. He's texted the owner of the facility 100 times between last night and today, begging for his stuff back. So I have his name and phone number. If we find anything personal, we'll give it back to him.
I want to know from the
Vandy Treasure Hunters, after we went to that live storage auction, we went to a regular live household auction. We got this right here picture for $10. It's selling on eBay anywhere from $30 to $50. We got these Pyrex mixing bowls. We paid $25 for them. They're selling on eBay for about $120. Now, all the prices I'm going to give you are not what we're charging people on our eBay, but it's just a point to show that you can do products. You don't have to go to yard sales anymore. You go to auctions. Sometimes auctions are your best friend. Now, this bowl here, we paid $10 for the whole set of these. This bowl had a lid, which is not the right lid. It's got a pie pan. It's got a bread pan. Now, like I said, we bought all that, and there's one more piece yet, for $10. And to go with that was this teapot. That went with that set as well. I haven't listed that on eBay yet. This is the lid that came with that casserole dish, vegetable dish. I'm not sure what it fits. It is still a stoneware, but doesn't go with that bowl. Altogether, we spent, I believe it was $56 at that auction. We got probably about $150 to $200 worth of product. So, sometimes your live auctions are your friend, but you gotta watch how you bid. You gotta know your products as well. So keep following us here on Vandy Treasure Hunters. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on our videos. We're almost made our 500. Let's get us there, friends. Share us along. We love you. God bless you. Have a great day.